Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this pre-owned 2022 Jeep Cherokee that we have here on the lot. Just gonna take a quick walk around the Jeep today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Now this 2022 Cherokee is in your Trailhawk trim level, so that does mean you get a ton of great features packed into this Jeep. Coming around towards the back, of course, your backup camera back there. You do have your receiver, so you do have some options for towing and hauling. Power liftgate also equipped back there as well. You can see the cargo space in the back of the unit here. Decent amount of room back there. Spare tire just packed in underneath, and again a little bit more storage space. Again, just your power liftgate option. Now if you're ever in need of a little bit of extra cargo space, that second row does also fold down when those seats aren't needed. Now the Trailhawk trim level also gives you great off-roading capabilities. Checking out some of the features inside here, you can see in the back seat, decent amount of legroom for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. You can get 3 passengers back there. Floor mats are included both front and back, so great little accessory included for you there. USB port hookups just in behind. You do have your dual pane sunroof. Checking out some of the features up front here. So touchscreen display area, so very user-friendly interface with the Uconnect system equipped in here. Access to, of course, all of your Bluetooth options in through there. Navigation is also equipped. Access to some of the apps and settings in through there. You do have heated and vented front seats as well as a heated steering wheel. Dual climate control, and of course all of your audio media controls built in there. Just below that, again, access to your basic audio media controls, climate control options down in through there. Some more USB port hookups just in the front. Key fob for the Jeep right here, so you do have remote start included. Your push button start just in behind. Steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to all of your cruise control options in on there. Adaptive cruise control is equipped. Bluetooth Uconnect capability just in on the left hand side. In behind the steering wheel, you do have your audio media controls. All of your power windows, locks, side mirrors, as well as a memory driver's seat. And as you can see towards the center bottom of the screen, this Jeep does have 55,573 kilometers currently on it. So that's just a quick look at this 2022 Jeep Cherokee. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.